Welcome to an introduction to poetry. A poem is a piece of writing where the author expresses their ideas or their feelings. A poem is not an article. A poem is not a novel. It is a piece of writing where the author expresses ideas or feelings. Here's one example of a poem called Masks. The author is Shel Silverstein. Masks. She had blue skin, and so did he. He kept it hid, and so did she. They searched for blue their whole life through, then passed right by and never knew. Now we're going to talk about 3 parts of poems that you often see. The first is a line, which is a row of words in a poem. In this poem called Dreams, we can see that there are 8 lines. Line 1 is, hold fast to dreams. Line 2, for if dreams die. Line 3, life is a broken-winged bird. Line 4, that cannot fly. A stanza is a group of lines in a poem separated by a space. A stanza is like the paragraph of a poem. So lines 1 through 4 make up stanza 1 in this poem, and lines 5 through 8 make up stanza 2. They are a group of lines. And the third part of a poem that we'll talk about right now is the refrain. The refrain is a phrase, line, or stanza that repeats throughout a poem. I'm going to read the poem all the way through, and you will notice the refrain is repeated multiple times. Dreams. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. So we can see that our refrain is the line, hold fast to dreams. We see our refrain in line 5 and line 1. That poem is by Langston Hughes. So we can revisit these concepts through this poem Masks again. She had blue skin, and so did he. He kept it hid, and so did she. They searched for blue their whole life through, then passed right by and never knew. So we can see that this poem has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines, and it has 1 stanza. The whole poem is 1 stanza, and there is no refrain in this poem by Shel Silverstein. So a poet is a person who writes a poem. So just like Langston Hughes and Shel Silverstein wrote the poems that we read today, you can also be a student and a poet. In this module, you all will learn how you can become poets and how you can write your own poems. Thank you for watching.